Time Bubble Alley never gets old, huh? Look at it.
It's like walking through a dream. I could stay. Gelp! I think I broke the brakes!
Tara! We've got to stop her before she crashes! She's heading toward the harbor. We need to cut her!
I'll take the high road, you stay low. We've got.
Hang tight, Zia! I'm almost there!
You better be. I don't want to end up in the harbor. That was close! You really know how to make an... What can I say? I like to keep things exciting.
Let's try to keep the excitement on the ground next.
No promises. But hey, thanks for the rescue, you.